Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for good gut health and digestion. Since 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, eating the right foods can support overall well-being. However, consuming inflammatory foods like junk food, processed items, alcohol, and excessive sugar or spice can lead to digestive issues, including IBS. On the other hand, IBS-friendly foods can help manage symptoms naturally and promote better gut function. Veggies are rich in fiber, polyphenols, and essential vitamins that soothe the digestive system and reduce IBS complaints. By adding the right fruits to your diet, you can support your gut health and ease symptoms naturally. In today's video, I will tell you some of the best veggies that can help manage IBS effectively and improve digestion. So stay tuned and watch this complete video to learn how making simple dietary changes can lead to significant relief and better gut health. Hello and a very good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Amisha. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can get detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Okay, so let's understand what IBS is. Irritable bowel syndrome is a chronic functional digestive disorder that causes abdominal discomfort and changes in bowel movements. It is a condition of your intestine and stomach, meaning your gastrointestinal tract gets damaged but does not cause permanent damage to the intestine like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Well, now let us discuss which veggies can help maintain better gut function and improve digestive issues. These are: the first gut-friendly veggie is leafy greens. Yes, leafy greens are rich in vitamins, fiber, polyphenols and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect the gut lining from damage. Leafy green like kale, spinach and lettuce help increase the good bacteria in the gut and hence improve digestion. Now let's know how you can consume them. You can add them to your salad, green smoothie, curry and sorted veggies. Well, the second veggie is spinach. This leafy greenie is dense with many nutrients including fiber, vitamins and antioxidants, and it is a great natural source of iron. Spinach has both types of fibers, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance which helps soften stools, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting movement through the intestines. So, spinach is more effective in constipation-predominant IBS. You can consume spinach in sauté salad or green smoothie or add it to sandwiches, toast and dishes. Okay, so now come to the third veggie. It is carrots. They are rich in beta-carotene, soluble fiber, B vitamins and antioxidant. It is a low FODMAP food, so it is easy on your digestion and helps maintain better bowel movements. Now, how can you consume them? You can drink its juice, eat it raw or add it to curry, salad or sauté veggies. Cucumber is another gut-friendly vegetable that contains almost 96% water. It's hydrating and full of B vitamins and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation of the digestive tract. It also contains fiber that helps maintain better bowel movement and improves digestion. You can consume cucumber in salads, smoothies and sandwiches. Now, the fifth gut-friendly veggie is beetroots. But why is beetroot so great for your gut? Let us know. Beets are an excellent source of fiber, potassium and antioxidant. They are also rich in beta-lactam compounds that are anti-inflammatory and detoxifying property. Beets are generally well tolerated by people with IBS, especially when consumed in moderation after cooking them for 5 to 10 minutes. Beet juice is refreshing, energizes the system and maintains better gut health. Now, let us know how you can consume them. You can drink its juice mixed with carrots and apples. It is your ABC juice, which is super healthy and antioxidant rich. You can also consume them in smoothies, curries and salads. Well, I have shared very crucial information on veggies you can consume in IBS. I know IBS is really troublesome and rushing to washrooms many times a day is really very hectic. But don't worry, diet and holistic management of this condition can reduce the symptoms and heal the disease without any side effect. See, diet is an important aspect of treatment as it is a holistic approach to healing, but it cannot be a complete treatment. Relying on strong laxatives and digestive stimulants cannot bring long-lasting relief to the condition. Natural and holistic medicines are needed to tackle gut issues from the root cause. Bharat Homeopathy is now a prominent face in treating several digestive and intestinal disorders. Unlike modern medicine, which causes many side effects in the long run of treatment, Bharat Homeopathic medicines are absolutely side effect free, effective, and bring improvement in the condition in the shortest possible time. These medicines are light and given in the form of small globules dipped in homeopathic potentized alcohol-based medicine that acts directly on the system and improves overall immunity and energy levels. We at Bharat Homeopathy have a track record of happy patient feedback as we have treated thousands of patients worldwide. We are a team of experienced doctors who analyze the patient's clinical history, medical reports, and their symptoms and prescribe a personalized and customized Bharat Homeopathic treatment after assessing their constitution. So if you or your loved ones struggling with IBS or any chronic gut issues, then no worries. We are here to help you get over your condition. Well, if you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.